Okay, so here we are. We've got a Volkswagen 2.0 liter engine. This is an AEG engine from the year 2000. And we are going to attempt to put this engine into the 2000 Volkswagen car, which looks like it's been in a bad accident, but we removed the front nose of the car. The question is whether or not we can actually install this engine with the transmission in place. That's what we're going to attempt to do. The only thing we've done is we've removed the axle, we removed the lower transmission mount, which is down on the floor, and the upper transmission mount there is actually secured, as well as all the other stuff. So we're going to see if we can actually get this to fit together. The usual installation for VW is to take the engine and transmission out together. So we're going to attempt to do this. And you will be the beneficiaries of what we find out.
I have a side note. Make sure you wear your OSHA-approved work boots.
Excellent.
Safety first, then.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do, and I want to take one more shot of this for old time's sake. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously push. We've got the engine supported right here. There's a standard bracket for lifting the motor, and the other spot is right here on the block. This attachment gives the engine almost the natural tilt that it needs to have once it gets over there onto the transmission. So I guess that's why they put those holes there. What do you think? All right, so we're going to give this a try, and meanwhile I'm going to put this camera on a tripod. As you may see, we were able to actually put the engine in without taking the transmission out. But I'm going to get underneath and show you the critical part of this. So what we had to do is take the motor and sort of angle it this way a little bit, and then just we pushed up on the transmission to get it up over this little ear. And once we did that, we were able to line everything up and get it connected. So it is possible to put the 2.0 engine in the car without dropping the transmission at the same time. Although, it may be easier if you do it that way. And you can see on this end, on the front end of the engine, I had taken off the crankshaft pulley and, of course, the engine mounts to give us room to work here.